Somebody threw out their old fridge, 1980s fridge. We're gonna see if we can flip it or we'll scrap it. Fan's working. Let's see. Yeah, it's working in there. Smells absolutely terrible.
Yep.
Yeah.
What's the verdict?
Well, if it cools, I might be able to flip it for $100. If not, I could scrap it and probably make 25 bucks. So, yeah, for free. All right, so we got this old fridge plugged in that I got down the street. It's working just fine, and I posted for $75. This fridge I have posted for $325. I cleaned it yesterday. The other two behind me I haven't gotten to yet, but I'm gonna show you some clips of the Samsung fridge that I just cleaned out, fixed it, and I just sold it within 4 days and got $300. Yeah. Yeah. This is so bad. Really trying to figure out what is wrong with this fridge. I cleaned the fan that is by the compressor in the back. The panel that is inside, which I'll show you now. This panel I took off. It's very cold in here, so that means the refrigerator is cooling. But whenever I put this panel back on, the refrigerator does not cool. So, what is it? The refrigerator is to the set temp of 37 with the panel off, but when I put it on, it does not cool. There is a cooling fan, which I'll show you in a second, that is supposed to cool down, blow cold air through the panel, and cool down the refrigerator. What I'm thinking is going wrong is that there is some gray wiring that is hitting the fan whenever I put the panel back on, not allowing it to move. I watched a couple YouTube videos and I'm seeing other refrigerators that are exact same that don't have this gray wiring. So let me show you real quick. So as I open this, you will see the cooling fan working. Shuts off when you open the door. So since that's working, it should blow the cold air from here through this panel, cooling the fridge, but it's not. What I'm thinking is happening is these wires right here are blocking this fan, causing it not to be able to spin. So I'm gonna try to tape these to where it's not blocking this and see if it works. So I rerouted these gray wires out of the way. I believe that this fan is gonna be where this square is, that inset. So it should not be blocked now. We're gonna see if this works. The fridge is now clean. I'm gonna take pictures of it and we're gonna post it on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers to a successful flip and to what is to come on this new side hustle.